If you have hundreds of images in your media library, but you need to find only the ones that were uploaded to a specific folder, unfortunately you won't be able to do it from WordPress, since there is no place to filter or view this information. That's why, we want to show you how simple it is to find your images by file path with the Media Library Spreadsheet plugin. This plugin allows you to quickly filter your media library files using its advanced search tool. You can also apply changes on thousands of files in just some minutes using the plugin's bulk edit tool. You'll find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you can find a link to our written guide. To simplify this task, we'll use the search tool, which will help us to filter all the images by file path. Once the tool is open, tick here to enable the advanced filters. Enter attached file as the field key. Select the operator contains. Now paste here the file path you're looking for. Then, add a new filter. Select format as the field key. Choose the operator contains. And enter image here. Once you have entered the search parameters, run the search. There is no doubt that the Media Library Spreadsheet plugin helps you save a lot of time and effort, since you can perform this in many other searches with the search tool, as well as make edits in the fields you need in bulk. Remember that you'll find the link to download this plugin in the video description, as well as the link to visit our written guide. We have live chat support on our website in case you need extra help. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.